Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the fascinating stories of our planet's incredible wildlife and the challenges they face in an ever-changing world. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share with you today's journey into the natural world. As we step out onto the trail, let's head to the high Andes, where a rare and elusive creature calls home. The Andean cat, also known as the mountain cat, is a highly specialized species that roams the rocky ledges and alpine meadows of Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, and Peru. With an estimated population of only around 2,000 mature individuals, this beautiful cat is considered endangered, and its future hangs in the balance. The Andean cat's habitat is under threat from human activities such as mining, which not only destroys its home, but also brings with it the risk of disease transmission from domestic dogs. Climate change is also having a profound impact on the cat's food supply and habitat, making it even harder for this incredible animal to survive. But there are dedicated conservation efforts underway to protect the Andean cat and its habitat. The Andean Cat Alliance, for example, is working closely with local communities to address localized threats and promote sustainable living practices. Their innovative program, Cat Crafts, empowers local women to create handmade crafts from leftover materials, generating income and promoting awareness about the importance of conservation. As we explore the story of the Andean cat, we're reminded that every individual animal counts, and that even small actions can make a big difference in the fight against extinction. Whether it's reducing our carbon footprint, supporting conservation efforts, or simply spreading awareness about the plight of this incredible species, we all have a role to play in ensuring the long-term survival of the Andean cat. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David, and we're exploring the fascinating world of conservation and wildlife today. In our previous segment, we delved into the importance of preserving biodiversity in our ecosystems. Now, let's venture into a topic that has sparked both excitement and controversy in the scientific community: de-extinction. Imagine being able to bring back species that have been lost to extinction, like the woolly mammoth or the dodo bird. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but companies like Colossal Biosciences are working to make this a reality. Their latest endeavor is to revive the giant moa, a flightless bird that once roamed New Zealand. The process involves using genetic engineering to create hybrid species that contain traits from extinct animals. However, not everyone is convinced that de-extinction is possible or even desirable. Critics argue that these hybrid species may not be able to thrive in modern ecosystems and could potentially disrupt the delicate balance of nature. Dr. Tori Herridge, an evolutionary biologist at the University of Sheffield, points out that learned culture plays a crucial role in the behavior of wild species. "I don't think you're going to be able to create something that is behaviorally a woolly mammoth just based on its genome," she says. "A lot of elephant behavior is learned. We know there are problems with elephant behavior once you remove a matriarch from a group. Moreover, the process of de-extinction raises important questions about the quality of life for these revived species." As Aroha Tapariek-Mead, a member of the International Union for Conservation of Nature, asks, "Bring the moa back. To what quality of life? To roam freely?" Despite these concerns, proponents of de-extinction argue that it could help restore genetic diversity in endangered wildlife and even prevent extinctions. Prof. Andrew Pask, working on the moa project for Colossal Biosciences, believes that de-extinction technology can bring back lost diversity into species genomes. As we continue to explore the complexities of de-extinction, it's clear that this topic is not just about bringing back extinct species, but also about our relationship with nature and the consequences of playing with the fundamental building blocks of life. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating world of wildlife and conservation, I'd like to take you to the vibrant realm of colors, where a tiny creature has been making big waves in the scientific community. Let's dive into the story of the orange male guppies. In the world of Animal Kingdom, colors play a crucial role in communication, mating, and even survival. From the bright red hues of poisonous dart frogs to the stunning plumage of peacocks, colors have evolved to convey vital information about an individual's health, strength, and suitability as a mate. And now, researchers have discovered that for male guppies, the color orange is not just a visually striking trait, but also an indicator of their virility. A recent study, published in Nature Ecology and Evolution, has found that male guppies with more orange coloration are up to 2 times more sexually active than their less colorful counterparts. But what's even more intriguing is that the researchers have identified a genetic link between the cells that form the brain and those that control color diversity on the body. This suggests that the same genetic factors that influence an individual's physical appearance may also shape its behavior. The study, led by zoologists Wouter van der Bijl and Judith Mank from the University of British Columbia in Canada, used deep learning and genetic studies to examine 3 generations of guppies bred for their orange coloration. They found that the more colorful males were not only more sexually active, but also attempted to copulate with females more often. And with up to 32,768 unique pattern combinations possible, it's clear that these tiny creatures have evolved an astonishing array of colors and patterns to communicate and attract mates. As we explore the natural world, we're constantly reminded of the intricate connections between genetics, behavior, and environment. The story of the orange male guppies is a testament to the awe-inspiring diversity of life on Earth and the complex ways in which animals interact with each other and their surroundings. So as we wrap up today's Nature Walk, I encourage you to reflect on the incredible world of colors that surrounds us, from the brightest hues of flowers and birds to the subtle shades of reptiles and insects. Each color, pattern, and trait has evolved for a reason, and by exploring these wonders, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.